Yeah, so the situation is my little boat was out in the water there a few days ago, and it took a hit. A good storm came in, and it landed up on the slipway and put a little hole here. You can see it there. So what I'm going to do is I've got a West mini pack kit, and I'm going to try and repair it. This is what I'm using for the repair kit. I'm going to use acetone obviously to clean the area. I'm using West Systems 105, and as you can see, a 205 fast hardener, gloves, dust mask, and this is the filler kit, and I'm going to use a Dremel for buffing down the area and getting it prepped. So this is what I'm using. I always use a dust mask with fiberglass, because you know yourself, it can get into your lungs and stuff like that. So that's the materials that I'm using to repair the hole in the boat. Yeah, I went at it with the Dremel and I've opened up the hole a fair bit. I spotted here as well, it got a little bit of a tap here and a little bit of a tap here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a backing agent on like a piece of matting or plastic behind that, just to give it a bit of support, and then fill it in with the glass mix so it will grip the fiberglass. Yeah, so on the very first hole that I put onto the to plug the hole, essentially I used this glass fibre with the hardener and the resin together. I was mixing about 30 milliliters, and then around the same with the glass. On the second one, on the overcoat, I'm not going to use a gel coat on it because it's below the anti-fouling line. So on the second coat, which is going to be the outside filler, I'm going to use this lad here. It's a better it's like a powder form, and we've got the resin and the hardener. I'm going to do the same mix. I'm going to do 30 milliliters with this lad, and that'll be the coat. It'll be a finer, almost like a putty type mix, and that's going to be the overcoat for the hole. I'll just do a little bit of sanding on the inner hole. I'll show you that now in a second. This is the hole that I patched. That was with the first coat, or the fiberglass filler. So that's the mix I'm using. I'm using about three quarters of the powder, and I've done about 35 milliliters, 5 to 1 on the hardener. You see, I'm getting to a certain consistency where it's running off the spatula, so I need to get it a little bit thicker, a small bit to go. I'm kind of on the last part of this repair. It's taken 4 coats to get it done. As you can see, it's a nice and smooth job. The West Systems pack is amazing, and it's very easy to use. So I would highly recommend. Just to put some anti-foul onto the boat, and it should be good to go. Go back in the water. So this is the final pallet I'll be working away on the Oldenburg. I just had to give a good clean, but the end result on the fix is here. Along here, I'll just put some anti-foul on, and the West Systems mini pack, I have to say, is amazing.